Hello everyone, my name is Midif. I will show you how to secure your Google account the smart way. First of all, open the Gmail app and tap on the icon of your Google account and tap on the Manage your Google account. Tap on Security and Sign in, and in this page, scroll down to the bottom, Enhanced Safe Browsing for your account. Tap it to turn on. This is for when you visit a website, so it ensures that the website is secure before you visit it. Enable it, turn on, and now the enhanced safe browsing is turned on. Second one is, in the same page, go to passkey and security keys and enter your current Google account password. Enter your password and tap next. Click create a passkey, and this passkey will be saved in this device like in my Apple ID. So in the next time when I sign into this Google account, I will just use passkey without password and I will be able to sign in into this account. So hackers can never hack a passkey. The third one is just scroll down a little, and here in your connection to third-party apps and services, click see all connections and remove all the apps that you don't recognize or you don't use them. Like this is my Cisco Networking Academy, but it's verified and we all know that Cisco it's related to the Networking Academy, so that's not dangerous to my account, and GitHub also. But if you see a non-recognizable app here, just remove it. The fourth one is ensure you have entered a recovery phone number and a recovery email, so that in the future when you sign into your Google account, if you don't have your passkey and your password, so that you can recover your account using the phone number you entered here or the email account you entered here. You can enter your parent email or a brother or a close friend. So I will add my friend email. So after you enter one of your close friend email or your parent or brother or anyone that you trust, click save, and a verification code will be sent to that email. You just have to enter it here, and that's it. Now the email is added. I just have to verify the recovery email. A code will be sent to that email, but I will verify it later. And don't forget to add a recovery phone number, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and ask anything you'd like in the comments.